Shah Rukh, mic is all yours. And nowadays you've been doing a better job than me.
Good evening, everybody. Sorry to be late, but I've just been running around from one award function to the other, getting consolation prizes. But it's wonderful to be here. I would. This day belongs, of course, to two T-series, Kishan and Bhushan, who've been really kind to take this music. Of course, very wonderful producer, Zayed Saab of Venus. They'll all be coming here shortly. I also want to thank Anu Malik and of course Javed Saab, the singers, and my team here. And my very special thanks to Zayed and Sushmita, who are wonderful but not here today. And, yes, and I will, before I go on, I'd just like to really, on behalf of this whole team, which has been wonderful and very nice to work with and produced, I think, quite a nice film. Thank Suniel Shetty especially for being such a kind artist, and really heartfelt thanks to him for being so nice to all of us. I wish every producer and every director gets an actor like Suniel Shetty to work with, really. And there's one gentleman who's a miss here, who's doing our background and has done the arrangement for the music, Mr. Ranjit Barod. Please come on stage.
Ranjit, can we have on stage, please?
And thank you for being here, and welcome Ranjit, and giving us such a marvelous piece of work. And the whole team, lots of guys are still working. Thank you very much. Firoz is here, all the dancers, everyone. Thanks a lot.
Shah Rukh, can we officially release the audio cassette and the CD in the market, because I have 10 people waiting outside my house.
Now the senior most, I think the sexiest most member of our team, if you kindly open the CD.